Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. As you all know, us humans tend to create a lot of waste. That's where these machines come in. Today we'll be looking at some of the world's best landfill compactors. Landfill compactors are used to compress garbage, reduce its bulk to protect valuable airspace, yes airspace, and increase the landfill's lifespan. In contrast to old-fashioned landfill compactors, the TRASHMASTER 11 performs full-width compaction using all four-wheel drives in a single pass. This results in fewer passes, lower fuel consumption, and longer life of the machine. Its heavy-duty mainframe, a rugged wheel, and dozer blade configuration make it easy to operate under demanding conditions. From its ergonomic cab, the operator enjoys unrivaled all-around visibility and full control over the machine. The DORMASHINA UM25 is a Russian-made landfill compactor. Based on a drum at the front and two drums at the back, providing a compaction line width of up to 3,300 mm, lateral support while operating on slopes, and a high float. A 300 horsepower engine powers the machine and, for low fuel consumption, it has a unique hydraulic drive. The open configuration of the cam drums and cam scrapers ensures good cleaning of the drum surface. The compactor is fitted with a pneumatic unit for the clogging heat exchangers' periodic cleaning. The LC450H is the first North American landfill compactor made by VOLVO. A 416 horsepower Volvo Tier 4 engine with passive automatic regeneration is featured in this 90,000 pound heavy machine. The engine and axles work perfectly with HTL 310's lockup transmission, providing a high torque output and fuel efficiency. Its blade customizability makes it more versatile at work. The machine's ground clearance is 26.5 inches, while its cab can be tilted to either 30 degrees or 70 degrees. The TEREX TC50 is built to be highly lightweight. The machine is equipped with a new hydraulic steering mechanism and a blade control system with an upgraded blade lift and steering cylinder. These newly built-in features reduce the heat buildup and increase the lifespan of this 110,000 pound beast. The front blade of the TX50 is 13 feet long. The unit is powered by a 525 horsepower engine producing 1,378 pounds of torque. The TC550 also features an asset monitoring system that relays critical faults and uses GPS and satellite technologies to collect operational info. This new landfill compactor is known as the TANA E520. It comes with a 16-foot wide blade, twin drums with crushing teeth, and rigid frame construction. A 535 horsepower engine is used to power this 30-foot long machine. With fewer passes, excellent drivability, and straightforward machine management and controls, this landfill compactor is able to handle waste on landfills in the most cost-effective way. providing better compaction and waste treatment capacity with lower operating costs. The Wagner LC120 is available in both 90,000 and 120,000 pound models. These unique machines by Wagner offer 30 degrees on front frame oscillation that keeps wheels on the ground for maximum compaction. Each Wagner LC120 comes with a 16-foot wide blade, 83-inch diameter wheels, and a 535 horsepower engine with 1,800 feet-pound of torque at maximum output. You can run it at 5 miles per hour using fuel from its 200-gallon fuel capacity. To meet the modern landfill site's challenges, this versatile compactor by BOMAG is embedded with state-of-the-art technology. Its high-pressure hydraulic drive system requires few components in the drivetrain, resulting in a high-efficiency level with low energy consumption. Speed-controlled radiator fans provide an adapted airflow to cool the engine, saving approximately 5% of fuel costs. Moreover, special scrapers, polygon rings, and toothed wheels ensure continuously clean working. It is equipped with a 590 horsepower engine, a 17-foot wide front blade, and 18-inch diameter wheels. You can run this 121,000 pound machine at a speed of 7.4 miles per hour. The ADV600 is designed to provide the longest uptime and lowest fuel consumption, plus minimal maintenance costs. This bulky beast measures in at 32 feet long with a weight of 123,000 pounds. It has a 17-foot wide front blade, while its drum wheels are 52 inches in diameter. With a 603 horsepower engine with 1,838 foot-pounds of torque, the ADV is able to run at a speed of 5 miles per hour. At 535 horsepower and over 123,000 pounds, the CAT 836K Landfill Compactor is a leader in performance, durability, and quality. It is powered by field-proven technology to keep operations at peak. The impeller clutch torque converter reduces wheel slippage and tip wear by adjusting the rim pull from 100 to 20% while depressing the left pedal. The machine is 33 feet long and has a 15-foot wide front blade. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.